Hello, my name is Paul Berryhill. I'm here today to demonstrate the innovative turn signal controller. First, I would like to explain to you the two different methods you have with using a conventional turn signal control. They are operating the lever into the latch position, relying on the steering wheel to disengage and turn the turn signal off once that turn is complete. The second method you have with a conventional turn signal is to activate the lever into the intermediate position, left or right, for a lane change. Hold the lever intermediate without latching the mechanism. As soon as I let go, it'll spring back to the off position and the lamps will stop flashing. This is nothing new. You've all done it thousands of times. It's old school. Third method now you have three different ways you can use the lever. Third method is very easy to operate. It adds great convenience to motor vehicle operation, has very flexible methods of operation, and can even help improve safety. To demonstrate the auto flash function, all I need to do is to activate the lever into the intermediate position, left or right, for less than 1 second. This will allow all lamps to flash 9 times. The computer set at 9. All lamps flash 9 times for a lane change. I can bump the lever on the right. Flash count will be 9 and make a lane change to the right. The computer can be set for a flash count of 6, so every time I activate the lever it'll flash 6 times. Right now it's set for 9, so every time I activate the lever left or right it will flash 9 times for a convenient and easy lane change. Sometimes as you're driving on the highway there may be road construction, large volume of traffic, maybe weather conditions, where you may require a turn signal to be activated for longer than 9 flashes to make a lane change, or to maneuver around an obstacle, or to merge onto a highway from a ramp. In this situation, you could use the lever multiple times by simply activating it, let's say twice. 1, 2. Intermediate, twice, will flash all left lamps 18 times. Let's say you're driving down a ramp to an interstate. This ramp's about a 1/4 mile long. You may want a longer lane change indication than just 9 or 18 flashes. With this system, as you're driving down this 1/4 mile long ramp to the interstate, you could activate the lever, let's say 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 9 is 27. This thing will flash 27 times while your hands are back on the wheel. The computer will do its routine, and it will shut off after the 27 flashes has elapsed. Now, at any time during that 27 flash count, I could cancel it if I wanted to, if there was a need for it. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to activate the lever 3 times on the right, and I'm going to stop it on the 4th or 5th flash. The computer sees an input that lasts for a longer time than one output signal. It will stop as soon as the input is released. The input is the left and right turn signal switch. If the lever is activated for a lesser time than one output, it'll run the routine. But if it's held for a longer duration, well, I'm going to do it 2 times. 1, 2. It'll go 18 times. I'm going to stop it. Hold it longer than 1 flash. Now, there is another advanced auto flash function this system has, and that is called the pass and return auto flash function. It works like this. If you're coming up on a vehicle and you're doing about 65, this vehicle may be doing about 55, you don't want to slow down. All you want to do is make a lane change to the left, past the vehicle, and once you get in front of the vehicle, you want to return to the lane you came from. With this system, you can activate the lever, left and right, and the computer's response will be 9 left, a pause, and 9 right. Once you get in front of the vehicle, the blinker will start blinking on the right side. Now, it's even flexible using the pass and return, such as you could use the lever once on the left and twice on the right. Maybe you want to pass a tractor trailer. The tractor trailer is going up the hill, you're behind them doing 50, you want to get around this tractor trailer, make a lane change to the left, and then once you pass the tractor trailer, you want to make a lane change back to the right in the lane you came from. You can activate the lever on the left once and on the right twice. Let me demonstrate. Once left, twice right. Now it'll flash 9 times on the left, a 3-second pause, 18 on the right. The way the computer turn signal recognizes inputs from the turn signal switch works like this. If the computer sees a left or right input that lasts for a lesser time than one output signal, it will run the routine. If the computer sees an input left or right that lasts for a longer time than one output signal, it will automatically stop the outputs from flashing as soon as the input is released. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to operate the lever once on the left for a little bit longer than one output signal. I'm going to release it after the signal and it will stop flashing. I'm going to go 2 times. I'm going to hold it for 2 flashes. 1, 2, 1. But if I activate the lever for a lesser time than one output signal, it will run the routine. And of course I can stack up multiple routines. Now it's going to go 18 times. Then I can tack on 1 more to the right. Now it's going to do 18 left, it will pause. Now it's going to do 9 on the right. Now Bob has the system set for a flash of 6 times, so every time the lever is activated it will flash 6 times. He bumped it twice at 112. Now the system's going to blink 6 on the left, about a 3-second pause, and then 6 on the right. So that'll be a lane change to pass a vehicle and then to return to the original lane. Try it again. Once on the left, twice on the right. A lane change to pass another vehicle. They went 6 on the left at a 3-second pause. Now it is flashing 12 on the right because it was activated twice on the right. Bump it twice on the left, Bob.
You know, Paul, just how many times have you got behind somebody going down the highway and they got their blinker on for 50 miles, 20 miles? You're not sure if you can make the pass because is he going to turn into your lane? With this system here, you just bump it and forget about it. It'll take care of itself. There's no latching, no cancellation problems because you only made a lane change. You didn't turn the wheel far enough.
That's right.